away, so we're all going to hide behind here, ready for the big reveal. We've got you a present. Got a remote now. So today we're going to be surprising someone with a free garage door. Stay tuned to find out why and see his reaction.
2 hours later.
Oh, it's ringing now. Darren?
Morning, how you doing?
Yeah, all good. Any news?
Right.
We're just waiting around the corner.
Just had the message, she's just left.
Okay, perfect.
So the coast is clear, let's get going.
All right, perfect. We're going to go around there now. We'll see you in a minute, yeah?
All right, buddy, see you in a second.
Nice
Bye.
one. Cheers, mate.
Bye, bye.
Right, the coast is clear, so Simon's girlfriend's taking him out for the day. We just had the message to say that she's left, so we're just going to drive around to his house now, and then it's time to get the door out. Right, so we've just come across the first problem. Hopefully there's not too many today. We've just gone to push the car out and it won't roll forward because the car has air ride. Looks like the tyres are actually touching the arches, that's how low down it goes. So we're now going to have to try and work out how to get the air back up so we can roll it out. So hopefully it's not too tricky, but we're going to give it a go now. Go on, you're good now, you're good. Ab. Right, first step, we've got the car out, so now it's just time to get Adam to take a quick look, work out the plan, but the door's nearly ready to come out.
Right, door's out. Now time to get the new one in. Let's be having ya.
Right, so we've decided while Adam's cracking on getting the door done, we're going to change the lights. So sorry Simon, we don't like your current light setup, so we thought we'd add some of our signature hexagon lighting in. So we're going to pop this one down and change it over. Right, we've got 10 minutes till Simon arrives. His girlfriend's just giving us an update, so literally just running this one cable. We've got to get the car back in the garage. Hopefully that pushes back in okay this time, and then we've got to hide and do the big reveal. So stay tuned and we'll see Simon's reaction very shortly. So I'm just going to move the van around the corner and we can get into our hiding positions. Right, we're tracking them now. They're literally 2 minutes away, so we're all going to hide behind here ready for the big reveal. What is that? Oh, ready or what? Ready. Just wait, see what happens. Simon, we've got you a present. How you doing?
Oh, sick.
We know you've had a hard year, so we thought we'd try and put a smile on your face.
Wicked. Huh?
How you doing, the honours, mate? All good?
We've got a remote now.
Yeah, all good, man. Good. Finger up, press the middle button there.
Right.
We know you had a bit of a tough year, mate. And we know you love us so much. So we're just showing you some love back. So we just wanted to make you smile and sort your garage out. That's why when you've been messaging me, I've been like,
been ignoring you.
A few problems. But yeah, we just wanted to sort you out. And you look up.
Oh, fuck yeah. Love it.
Yeah,
wicked. Thank you.
It's hard work getting your car in and out.
yeah, because track car.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, at least now you're all sorted, mate. And,
Not to worry about a door now.
Well, it's just to take your mind off everything that's going on. It's all good.
Really appreciate you guys.
Did you suspect anything was going on?
No. Until he said about it, and I was like, she was, oh, we need to put the 12th, the Tuesday off. I was like, all right, fine.
So the floating door with people behind.
Well, yeah,
that
gave it away.
Not really. No, not at all.
We taped your cameras up earlier as well.
I wonder why they didn't go off.
Right, so you've seen the reaction Simon had. Big surprise, Simon. Did you think anything was going on until he took you out for the day?
No, not at all. No, absolutely nothing.
Surprise. So obviously Simon's been a long-term customer of Garage Show. He's got our flooring in there. We've done some work for his dad, who sadly passed away last year. He's got our logo on the side of his car. He's done some video work with us in the past, so big supporter of the brand, and it's only right we could try and put a smile on your face today. So
perfect.
What do you think of the new door?
Love it. Absolutely love it. Guys have done a great job.
Nice one. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll catch you on the next one.